So, quick update lang tayo dito sa aking DJI Mic Mini. So, I got the one transmitter and one receiver na variant. So, eto yon. And after almost 3 months of using it, napansin ko na dami ko na nagamit na microphone out there pero parang lagi ako nabalik dito and hindi ko talaga maiko-compare yung sound quality nito compare dun sa mga budget microphones out there na available. Knowing na budget din 'to since ito yung variant na walang charging case. So if you just really want to start making content and you want to have a good quality na microphone for your content. So, I really recommend, highly recommend this DJI Mic Mini. So, hindi ko lalagyan ng basket para hindi tayo bias. And this is not a sponsored also. So, kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-decide kung ano yung gusto niyo na microphone, pwede niyo nang i-get si DJI Mic Mini. Lalo na kung naka-Osmo Pocket 3 kayo or naka-Osmo Action 5 Pro. Yun lang muna for this video and see you on the next one.